Hello everyone, today is the 14th of August and it's about 1 p.m. here in the UK, and I thought just jump on do my US30. I may do GBP USD in the next video, but let's take a look at US30. So US30, really nothing much for me to say. I do feel we are bearish. The reason being, I'll tell you guys in a minute. Okay, so if you were to see on a weekly here, we did obviously break structure to the upside. So you can see we are very bullish. So overall trend on a monthly, we are bullish. Okay. However, even on a weekly, I would say we are very bullish. I'm going to remove this at the bottom. Okay. Just bear with me. Let me turn this on. Mm, oh, okay. Right. So we are stepping up on a weekly as well. So for me, overall bias is bullish. However, I really do think price will come down. Let's just see if we can see any break of structure on any of the higher time frames, okay? So this is a daily. Obviously, this is my 200 moving average, and you can see here on a daily, right? We have broken structure. So that's the reason why I do think we will actually make further lows. So here we broke structure. This was the new low right now. All right. So having said that, we are kind of teetering. We haven't closed above the high. So we are kind of ranging at the moment in this spot, if that makes sense. Let me just see. I'm probably going to delete this markings just because it's messy. You can see we are just ranging in this area here right now. We do need a breaker structure for us to determine really which direction price wants to go, right? So can you just see price is teetering? However, in my head, what I'm thinking is look at this long week here, which happened on Friday on the 10th. To me, this was a liquidity sweep right up here, right? This one here. And oops. And so for me, I do think price is going to come down. The question really is it going to just do another sweep and then move up, or is it going to break below? Okay. So let me just Yeah, so really, if you see this box here, we are in a range. So obviously, when it touches the bottom, you can trade it up. You can trade ranges as well. Personally, I don't. But yeah, when it touches the base of this, you could trade it all the way to the top of it. And then again, one more time, this didn't really go to the top, but still, it was a good amount of pips, right, guys? If you took it at the bottom, right to this is a 400 over pips, guys. This is insane. Right now, we are in the middle, so. Yeah, it is here. I personally I don't enjoy trading ranges. So, but yeah, this is what I mean. So you are literally just ranging, guys. It for me, what I do think price would do is it would come down. So really what I'm looking for is this is 2 hours. Our price. Okay, so really, I'm just going to wait to see whether price breaks structure here and closes below. And what I do want to see though is price do a little, so from here, break the structure, it comes down, okay, and then goes back up to test a fair value gap, and then we're going to get a push down. This is what I'm going to be hoping. So when price comes down, it's going to create a fair value gap or a zone or liquidity, and then I'm just going to drop down to a lower time frame, and I'm going to see it where it touches it, and then I'll be taking it further down. So that's really my analysis of US30, guys. I personally, I do not think we are going to make highs, but if we do, then I am waiting for structure breaks and then a fly up, like a nice bullish momentum, like same towards like how I did the bearish, nice bearish momentum, and then wait for the retracement, and then I'm going to catch the movement downwards. Okay, where do I think price is going to go? Okay, we have got lots of fair value gaps right here. Oops. Just for to make it easier, I'm just going to go to the daily, guys. Okay. So obviously, this could be a target. So this area here. However, I do think, get me, where's the rectangle? I don't know why my thing have changed. Okay, so we have, sorry, wrong one. Here, let me try it accurate. This one here. Okay, and then we have another. So what I'm drawing is fair value gap, guys, in case you didn't know. Okay, there's another fair value gap right here. So really, I would want price to probably push this down and then go back up, test fair value gap, and then come down and touch this. Right, so if we were to catch pips somewhere around this area here back again, this is a good 845 pips. And if it goes all the way down, this is a good 1300 over pips, guys. Okay, so this is my analysis for US30. Having said that, today it's not really moving. I'm just gonna wait for New York Open to see what it does, hoping to catch, like I said, a bear move. Um, but I will wait to for price to give me a good entry before I do enter. All right, so that's my take on US and US30, really short and sharp and sweet. So right now, like I said, we are ranging, wait for break of structures before you guys actually enter. For those of you who like trading ranges, wait for it to touch the bottom and do a rejection like all these pin bars and then pick it up if you want. Okay, so trade safely, watch your risk management, and see you guys back on another video.